Hello, children. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing well. Today, the lesson that we are going to cover is lesson number 4, My Friend Somu. So, I hope that all of you are ready with your books. So, let's just start it. I was a baby when Somu's mum brought me from a nursery. So the narrator of the story is saying that I was a baby, like I was very small when Somu's mum, as in Somu's mother, brought me from a nursery. So what is the meaning of nursery here? So nursery means a place where young trees or other plants are raised for transplanting, for sale, or for experimental study. So Somu's mother brought this little plant for Somu. And why did she bring this plant for Somu? Because it was Somu's birthday. So obviously, like when if it is birthday, we always expect gifts from our parents. Similarly, since it was Somu's birthday, his mother brought a beautiful gift for Somu, and that beautiful gift was a little plant. He had turned 8, so he had turned 8 years old on this birthday. Not just a plant, it is a beautiful friendship, she had said. So, Somu's mother said that, it's not just a plant. Don't consider it as just a plant. It is like your friend. Treat this plant as your friend. You have to nurture it every day. So, nurture means taking care of something or someone. So Somu's mother said that you have to treat this plant like your friend. As you take care of your friends, you have to take care of this plant as well. And then you will see it will grow with you as you grow. So Somu's mother said, if you're going to take care of this plant nicely, just like your own friend, you will see that it is going to grow with you as you will grow. 3 years have passed since then. So it's been like 3 years since that plant is there with Somu, and both of them, they have grew together. Somu never forgets to water me. So the plant is saying that Somu is such a good friend. He listened to his mother and he has treated me as his own friend. He never forgets to water me. He every day gives water to me. He takes such good care of me, just like his own friend. Soon I will grow into a big mango tree. So now we understand that the plant which Somu's mother gave him was a plant of a mango tree. So the plant is saying that one day, if Somu is going to nurture me in the same way as he is taking care of me now, one day I am going to grow into a big mango tree. When I grow tall, Somu will always have a shelter during rainfall. My leaves will give him shade in the summer. I will always give him fresh air to breathe. Under my shadow, he will have a place to play. In winters, I will shed my leaves so he may soak the sunlight. When the wind blows, Somu will tie a swing on my branches. Oh, what joy it will be to see him eat my ripe and juicy mangoes. So the plant is very, very excited. The plant is saying that when I grow tall and become this big mango tree, I'm going to help my friend in many ways. I'm going to provide shelter, a place where he can come and protect himself from rainfall. I'm going to give him shade to to save himself from hot summer season. I will always give him fresh air to breathe. Under my shadow, he can come and play with his friends whenever he wants. In winters, I'm going to shed my leaves, I'm going to drop my leaves all over the ground where my leaves are going to soak the sunlight from the sun, and Somu can come and lie down on those leaves to take warmth from them. He can also tie a swing on my branches and enjoy. And it's going to be lovely to see him eat my ripe and juicy mangoes. I'm really excited to grow and become this big mango tree, and I just want to help my friend ways I could. Somu loves to draw. He wants to be an artist. He drew a picture of me the other day. I was as proud as a tree could be. He named the picture My Mother's Gift. So the plant is saying that Somu loves to draw. This plant knows his friend really, really well, and it is saying that Somu loves to draw. He wants to be an artist, and Somu made a beautiful picture of this plant the other day. And when this plant saw that picture, it was really, really proud of his friend because it was a lovely picture, and he was so proud as he could be as a tree. He named the picture as My Mother's Gift because that plant was gifted by his mother to Somu on his birthday. So he named the picture as My Mother's Gift. I love my friend Somu. One day I will have a tree house on my branches. It will be Somu's own place to paint. I will invite many birds to visit Somu. They will sing sweet songs for him while he paints. I will request a peacock to dance for him when it rains. So the plant is saying that Somu is my dearest friend. I love him so much. And one day, when I will be a big tree, I will have a small tree house for my friend, and it's going to be his own place where he can come and paint anytime. I'm going to invite a lot of birds to come and sing for him, to sing sweet songs for him while he paints. And I will also request a peacock to dance for him when it rains. So I just want my friend to enjoy with me, to come and sit in that small little tree house where I could entertain him by calling the birds to sing him beautiful songs, sweet songs. I will call Peacock to come and dance for him during rainy season. I wish every tree had a friend like Somu. When are you turning 8? Would you like a plant as a birthday gift? Not just a plant, it will be a beautiful friendship. So the plant is wishing a friend like Somu for every tree in this world. The way Somu takes care of this plant, he nurtures this plant. In the same way, the plant wishes that every tree in this world should have a friend like Somu, because you also know that how important these trees are for us, right? So when are you turning 8? Would you like a plant to be your birthday gift? Just ask these questions to yourself and try to answer them. And if you get a plant as a birthday gift, it's not going to be just a plant, it will be a beautiful friendship. And you have to take care of this friendship of your friend just like your own real friends. All right, so with that, we have come to the end of the explanation of this lesson. I hope you have understood this lesson well. Please let me know if you come across any doubt or any problem. All right, so thank you so much and take care. Bye.